Motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to our Legal Explainer video. In this episode, we'll be discussing the concept of a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim under United States federal and state law. We'll cover what it is, the standard for granting one, and the remedies available if the motion is or is not granted by a trial court. So, let's dive right in. A motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim, also known as a Rule 12b-6 motion in federal court, is a procedural tool that a defendant can use to challenge the legal sufficiency of a plaintiff's complaint. It's essential to understand that this motion focuses on the legal adequacy of the complaint, not the factual merits of the case. Standard for granting a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim. The standard for granting a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim varies slightly between federal and state courts. However, the general principle is the same. The motion will be granted if the plaintiff's complaint fails to allege facts that, if true, would entitle them to relief under the applicable law. In federal court, the motion is governed by Rule 12b-6 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. The court must accept all well-pleaded factual allegations in the complaint as true and draw all reasonable inferences in favor of the plaintiff. The motion should only be granted if the plaintiff has not pled enough facts to state a claim to relief that is plausible on its face. State courts may have their own rules and standards for granting a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim, but they generally follow similar principles. Remedies if the motion is granted. If a trial court grants a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim, the court will typically dismiss the plaintiff's complaint without prejudice. This means that the plaintiff may have the opportunity to amend their complaint to address the deficiencies identified by the court and refile the case. However, if the court finds that the deficiencies in the complaint cannot be cured by amendment, the dismissal may be with prejudice, which means the plaintiff is barred from refiling the case based on the same claims. Remedies if the motion is not granted. If the trial court denies the motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim, the case will proceed to the next stages of litigation, such as discovery, where the parties exchange information and gather evidence. The defendant may still raise other defenses and challenge the merits of the case at a later stage, such as through a motion for summary judgment or a trial. In summary, a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim is a crucial procedural tool in United States federal and state law that allows defendants to challenge the legal sufficiency of a plaintiff's complaint. If granted, the plaintiff may have the opportunity to amend their complaint or face dismissal with prejudice. If denied, the case will continue through the litigation process. Understanding this concept is vital for both plaintiffs and defendants in navigating the complex world of civil litigation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Legal Explainer videos.